Vibe of the day. You are entering a new reality where everything will start to go your way. It's time you had enough lessons. You did the work. You overcame so much. You believed even when it was hard too. You never gave up. You pushed through it all. Now it's your turn to receive in a major way. Type yes if you agree. You are going to be divinely supported financially to achieve your dreams. Your positive attitude is unblocking doors of new opportunities. You have so much support around you, seen and unseen. The universe is calling upon you to be open to help in pursuit of your dreams. You are about to make new relationships that will propel you forward into a wave of abundance. The help you have been praying for is revealing itself to you. Type yes if you agree. Soulmates are not just lovers, they are friends too. Your soulmate will naturally recognize you and align with you. They understand you, appreciate you, support you, love you, heal with you, and evolve with you. They make you feel beautiful in your own skin just for being you. Type yes if you agree and also subscribe the channel.